Welcome to CAD Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be continuing the development drawing for the prism, which we started in part 1. We thank you for joining us, and we hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we'll be starting the video now. We're going to move B and C. So we're going to move, enter base point. I'm going to put it right. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to put it, we're going to turn off ortho. I'm going to put it right there. Enter. We're going to move C. Select the C. Enter. Select the base point. I'm going to put it right there. All right. So this is the top for the prism, and this will be the base for the prism if it is required. So we can actually label this. So this, I'm going to change the height to 6 millimeters. This will be the lid. And we're going to put this on the text layer. All right, so that's the lid. We're going to call this part the base, which is the bottom of the prism. All right, so we're going to call this the base. All right, we need this to be 6 millimeters in height. So we're going to select it and choose 6 millimeters here. There it is, big R. Save. We need to put this on the text layer. So we come here, select our text layer. The next thing we're going to label is the development. All right, so we're going to go annotation, and then from here to there, we're going to change this to 6 millimeters height, and this will be development. All right. All right, we're going to put this on the text layer. And what we're going to do, we're going to trim these extra lines. These are construction lines, they are no longer needed. All right, we save our drawing. And good job, this is our development, right? So these hidden detail lines, they indicate the folding areas. If you are required to draw the flap, then you would put it on this side, right? Here we have the development. What we're going to do, we're going to put a flap on it if it is required, okay? So we're going to change to our construction layer. Going to turn it on. Going to unlock it. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line that is 10 millimeters away from A. So we're going to turn on right here. Object snap is already on, so this line will be 10 millimeters. Enter. The height would be 90 millimeters. Enter. And coming back, this will be 10 millimeters. Enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line at 45-degree angle from A right here. So we're going to go line from this point. The length of the line, we're going to make it 20 millimeters, and the angle would be 45 degrees. Enter. All right. We're going to do the same thing at the top, but the 45-degree will be coming down. So we're going to come here. That angle, the length of the line will be 20 millimeters, and the angle will be 315 degrees. Enter. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to trim the excess line that is here, and this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner. Enter. What we're going to do now, we're going to go to our outline layer, and we're going to draw the flap right here. All right, enter. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to label the flap. All right, so we're going to go to our text layer. We're going to select this. I'm going to click from here. I'm going to turn off ortho. I'm going to change this to 6 millimeters, and this would be flap. All right, we're going to shift it over a little bit. All right, now because we put on the flap onto the development, right? Because we are putting it on today. What we're going to do, we're going to put this line on the hidden detail layer. Good, and this would be our development, the folding line there. So we're also gonna we're gonna break this line. So we're gonna go to the modify ribbon. You're going to go to the break command. We're gonna click the line, press enter. We're gonna select here, we're gonna break it there, enter. All right, so we're gonna select this line, then we're gonna select the breakpoint there. So we're gonna come again, we're gonna select this line, I'm gonna select there as a breakpoint, enter to get back the last command. I'm gonna click this line, I'm gonna select this as a breakpoint. And then now if I click on this line and this line, I can put it on the hidden detail layer. And this would be our completed drawing for the development. All right. So we're gonna label right here the development. So we're gonna come here, there. I'm gonna change this to 6 millimeters, and we're gonna label it development. And that is it. The drawing is now completed. And so good job if you got it correct. Alright, so we're gonna indicate the dimensions for the development. So we're gonna go to our dimension layer. I'm gonna select linear dimension. We're gonna measure this measurement from here to here. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna shift over the drawing a little bit. Yes. Alright, so the other measurement we're gonna put on is the 20 millimeters right here. We're going to put the 20 millimeters height right here. That's the height, 20 millimeters. We're going to indicate the 70 millimeters right here. Then we're going to indicate the 20 millimeters right here. Here to here. Then we're going to indicate the 70 millimeters here. Enter to get the last command. Enter. And this would have completed our development drawing for the prism. I'm going to move the D. I'm going to move the D. So I'm going to go move. Enter. I'm going to click it and I'm going to put it. I'm going to turn off object snap. Right there. Alright, so this is our completed drawing. So good job if you got it correct. We have come to the end of part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw development for a prism. In the next drawing, we'll be drawing the third angle projection for a hexagonal base prism, and we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. In the other video after that, we'll be drawing also the development for the hexagonal base prism. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the two videos. Please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.